Well, hi everyone, happy Friday and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY with a picture frame for Christmas. Now you're not going to use it for a picture frame. What I'm going to be doing is putting some Christmas greenery on it, a bow, no I didn't make the bow, and some Christmas ornaments hanging from it. That's what we're going to be doing. So it's more like wall art. Might be hanging it over here on this wall when I get done. So before we do that, I want to show everybody the few things that I got at Goodwill. Now, I think I mentioned I got a mirror. It's a really good size, big chunky mirror. I've been wanting to find a nice one for a while, and I finally found one. And I also got some picture frames, and they're for some projects. So let's head over into the family room here and check out that mirror first. Real quick, I want to show you the mirror that I got at Goodwill. This was $24.99. You can see it's really big. I just kind of propped it here right now. I got to clean it, and I'm thinking about painting it just a little bit, making it a little bit darker. It's a little hard to see in here. It's kind of got some bluish green tint to it with the gold. I think I just want to put a little bit of the darker bronze color with it and keep the gold. Make it look more Tuscan for in here. So, like I said, I'm probably going to hang it up here. But right now, just wanted to show everybody. It's pretty good size. It's $24.99 and it was 30% off. Now let's go check out those picture frames. Well, alrighty now, we are going to get on to the picture frames. Now, I specifically bought these picture frames intending to paint them. Some of them I might not, but they're for projects, kind of like what I'm going to be showing you, and also just to decorate with, because it's nice to decorate with empty frames. Stacking different sizes. Now all of these, not all of them, but most of these, how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3 have glass in it and 2 don't. I have 5. Now I got this one here. You can see some reflections. I think this one's really pretty with the detail. Get up here, I like the detail. It's an interesting gold. I'm not sure if I want to keep it all this gold. Might do a little bit of dark metallic on it to make it more Tuscan. And I'm going to take the backing off and the glass, of course. It was $3.99, but it was 30% off. Now this one I really like. It's a really thick one. It's super heavy. Now I was thinking more of making a little shadow box type thing out of this, possibly. We'll have to see what I want to do, but I love the frame. And it's probably going to go a little bit different color. It's really pretty. And this one, I had to search for the tag. It was way underneath here for some reason. It was $5.99 and 30% off, and this is super duper heavy. Now this one, I'm going to take the picture out of it. It doesn't have glass, and this one was $5.99. It's really big, and I love the details on the frame here. And I don't mind this color either. It's got the gold in it, and I still think it might need a little bit of brown, you know, just because I'm doing Tuscan for my Christmas. Now this one is an off-white, which I might keep it that way or make it more white, make it a little chippy maybe. And it's one like this. And this was $3.99 and 30% off. I love the little detail in this one. Okay, and the last one is this big, huge one. And I am going to take the canvas out. This one was $8.99. Put it this way, you can see it's really big. And it's 30% off. So I'm going to be taking that out, and I will definitely be painting this one. This one is kind of hard to tell. It is kind of a silvery gold here, and this is like a bluish green, which I don't really want that. So this one's probably going to go more gold and brown is what I want to do. All right, so I thought I'd show everybody that, because I think I mentioned it, that I got a few things. Now, let me put this away. And we're going to get started on the DIY project. Well, here is what I'm going to be using. Now, this is more like a little bulletin board. Not really little, is it? It's pretty good size. They had 2 different kinds of styles, and I got it at Home Goods the other day. I got to kind of hold it together because I've already taken it apart. I had to show you what it looked like before. So I come up here. You can see it's $19.99. And you know what? That is a good price for this. Now this is just a pressed wood frame, but at least it's not plastic because I really needed wood. And I went ahead and took the backing off. Now, took me a little while. I noticed it had little nails. And I thought, oh, that's gonna be real easy. Just pop it up. No, it was glued too. Yeah. So, took quite a while to get it off. Some of the areas was really stuck. So this is what I'm gonna be using as my picture frame. Now, I don't know if you can see, I've already gone in and did my little eye hooks here. I have 3 eye hooks that I put in to get that going already, because that takes a little while to get those in. Now, let me get the other things that I'm going to be using. Now, I have a couple pieces of this, and I have a couple pieces of these extra berries that I've taken off of another pick. And then I have these little icicle looking picks that I'm going to put into. And then my bow. Like I said, I didn't make it. Now I got this bow at Hobby Lobby, but you know what? These bows are really easy to make. As I was taking it off, these bows, it's going to be hard to see, but they're actually in 3 pieces. Like this section here is by itself, this section here is by itself, and this section here is by itself. And they just all have a twist tie on them. So I just fluffed it out, and so I thought, here is an easy way to make a bow. For me, at least, because I am very bow challenged. Very, very bow challenged. That's one thing I'm just not that good at. I can fluff them when I get them, so it was pretty flat when I got it. But I got this at Hobby Lobby, and it was half off. Then I have these 3 ornaments. Now you can kind of see where I'm going. I got black and white, and the berries are the red. I have these ornaments that I got last year at Hobby Lobby. Grab them all, because they actually have 4 different styles, but I'm only going to use 3. So I have this style right here. Really like this one. And this one. You can use this one. And this one. The other one I have is kind of long like this, but it has striping instead. It's more rounded. These are what we're going to hang, and I am just going to use, don't fall, some red ribbon here that I already have. So this is what we're going to be doing. I'm just going to be hot gluing onto the frame, because you know most of the time you can pop off the hot glue if you use it for something else, and since this is white you can always touch it up or even repaint it. And you know, I thought about making this red, but I thought that might be too much red. I thought I'd keep it white. Like I said, I think I'm going to hang it over here in my kitchen, because I do a candy theme in the kitchen, but I also do some more with red, white, and black on it too. So I'm going to turn the camera down here on the table, and we're going to get this all put together. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this hot glued on the best I can. Now I use the Gorilla Glue sticks, and they seem to work pretty good. I'd put a bunch on here. Not sure how much I'm going to need. And hopefully I don't burn myself here. I am really good at burning my fingers on this. I'm probably going to glue these other pieces down here at the bottom too. Oops, get in there. There we go. I don't know how well that's going to stick up there. That is the first piece that I'm putting on. Now, I've had a lot of people ask me, they say, or not really ask me, but mention how neat I am when I do things, like when I paint at my kitchen table here. I'm like, not really. I do spill a lot, and the hot glue is getting on my table over here, but it pops right off because it's glass. So, and the paint comes right off too. So I don't feel like I always have to put something down, unless I'm just going to be super, super messy with something. I think I'm going to put this one like this. I'm waiting for the hot glue here. Now this one will cover up a little bit of the detail, but that's fine. You still got the other detail of these corners here, the other 3 corners. Just kind of turn this around. Yeah, I'm gonna knock an ornament off. Just watch. Like I've said many, many times, I am a super klutz. Trying to find a piece here I can glue down. Let's kind of give it a little extra, maybe. Where'd it go? Ow. See? I'm getting my fingers already. Hard to hold things down. See, that popped up. It's always trial and error with these things. And I've never done this before, so. You know, and I don't care how messy this is going to get around this, because my bow is going to be going on this. And my bow I'm just going to be tying around, because it actually came with a really long piece of the twist tie around it. Hopefully that will hold. Up there, let's see. Try not to take too long with this. All right, so now I might have to put some more hot glue in that area. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach my bow, even though I'm not done. I want to see how much the bow is going to cover before I add in my other picks. So like I said, I'm just going to hopefully not kill too much. That one ornament, my gosh, we got to get that ornament out of the way. I'm just pretty sure I'm going to kill that thing. Let me get this around. All right, so far I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm sorry, guys. This is not working out good here for me with this. It's such a big thing, and I don't have a lot of room to show you. All right, so now I think I'm going to take these. I'm going to kind of put it down in there. A little bit of glue on it. I want it to go in that area. Like so. So it may have been a better idea for me to move those ornaments off the table completely here. Thinking that one right there. Normally I just stick the picks in the other, inside of the other picks, but I want this to hold since this is going to be hanging up. My luck, they'd fall out. Now I just want to place this one on top of that. Stick in here. All right. A little bit of glue. Place it there. The bow. Okay, now we're going to go to this side here. This area here. Okay, now I can get this. I feel like I need to get really, really far away, and I'm going to pull the camera up here just a little bit. Here we go. Here. Back up a little bit with it. See, it's starting to look really, really pretty here. There we go. It's just so big. All right, now. Sorry for the noise it makes. We are going to be attempting to get the ornaments on now. Oh my gosh, here we go. Get this out of the way. Now, I think I'm going to do a little adjusting here at the table, and we'll be right back and get started on the ornaments. I'm going to go ahead and hang the ornament up here Let's see how it goes. Now I just have this up on one of my wreath holders. Probably not the best thing. It's not the most sturdiest thing. Might need to invest in one of those easels that I see other people use to do projects on. What I'm thinking is about right there. Let's see that. We can make a cute little bow here. There we go. That is what I'm going to be doing. Now the next one, I'm probably going to hang about right here, up a little bit higher, and this one's probably going to go about right here. So I'm going to do that off camera because I don't want anything to fall and break. So I'm going to get that done and I'll show you the finished project. Well, here's how it turned out. I really, really love this. I love these ornaments. I am just drawn to those three colors and for Christmas, and I think this looks really pretty. It's it's not really a farmhouse, more of a more French country looking to me. All right, I probably need to tweak the bow a little bit, but I'm gonna move it over to that bookcase over here and see what it looks like without that bar down the middle. Well, I really love how this turned out here, and I think I'm gonna hang it here. I'm gonna get that hanger put on the back, hang it on the wall, and you'll get to see everything in here when I show my kitchen off, because I do a little candy theme, but I also do a little bit of the red, white, and black in it too. You might have noticed that apron next to it. That's my new apron I got. I got the bulletin board thing here, the apron, and I got this. Now, I bought one of these 2 weeks ago. They only had one. I always need two. You want two at least, when you get lanterns. So I thought, well, I'll just go ahead and get it because I like it. Well, they just happen to have two more when I went on Wednesday. So I grabbed that. That was $16.99. This was $19.99, and the apron was $9.99. Now, I didn't pay full price for all this. No, I didn't. I used some of my rewards coupons that I've been saving up because I like to use them for Christmas. So I used $40 worth of rewards, and all of this came up to like $50 and some change. So I got it for $10 and some change, all three of these items. So basically, I got 3 items for the price of that apron. You know, and it's a funny story with the apron. I'm standing there holding the apron, looking at it like, do I want it? Is it gonna look good in the kitchen with my candy theme? It's got the colors, the red, white, and green. I'm like, oh, I kind of like it. And this lady comes up to me and she goes, well, that is a cute apron. And I go, yes, isn't it? She goes, yes, it is. I said, I want to put it in my kitchen. I do a candy theme. She goes, that's perfect for it. She goes, I'm a designer. You need that in your kitchen. And I said, see, I said, I do, you know, with the red and white, like peppermint swirl candy and everything. She goes, it'd be perfect for it. Trust me. She goes, I'm a designer. Put it in your kitchen. She said, even put little candy canes in the pocket because that's a pocket right there. I'm like, okay, thank you. I didn't even think about sticking candy canes in there, so I'm going to be doing that too. So now we are done with the DIY. And I hope that everybody enjoyed this. And it's really not that hard. It really isn't. And those other picture frames that I show you that I'm going to be working on, they're going to get a little bit something different done to them. I might do another one with some ornaments. Not sure. But I have 2 more ideas to do. And I don't know. You know, do you want me to show you what I'm doing with them step by step like I did this one? Or you just want to see the finished project? Because it's probably going to be maybe another week or two because I did get some Christmas bins up today and I am going to be starting tomorrow for sure. Yes, I'm getting some Christmas done and I got to get started on my mantle. Like I said, I got to get that mirror done because that's going to go with my Tuscan theme for that collaboration that I'm doing with Liz. So just let me know if you'd like to see me do more DIYs with the picture frames like this one with a few different objects other than ornaments down in the comment box. And I hope that everybody enjoyed this video today. And I want to wish everyone a very wonderful weekend and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.